Hi everyone, this is Lee from Stoneside. Even though we're past Labor Day, you know as well as I do that summer seems to be hitting harder and longer than ever. While a pool or a cold drink might do you good, what about your house? Window coverings are a great way to insulate your home from the outside heat. Heat transfer comes in three main flavors. Conductive heat is when heat moves through something solid. So think about a pan handle and how it gets hot when you're cooking. Convective heat is more about gases and liquids. So think about how hot air rises in your home. And radiant heat is heat in a straight line. So think about the sun. To help people make good choices about their insulation products, including window coverings, there's something called an R rating system. R usually stands for resistance, and the higher the R rating, the more insulating the material. Cellular shades are a great option for insulating window coverings because they have a 3.5 to 3.7 R rating. There's also draperies and Roman shades with blackout linings. Now, blackout linings aren't necessarily black or dark colored at all. They're just thicker and therefore better insulating. There are also roller shades with a metallized backing, so when the sun comes in, it just gets reflected right back out. On a similar note, there's something called a cool black lining. Now, this is actually a black lining, which typically you would think would absorb the heat. But this technologically advanced fabric actually reflects the heat back outside. So no matter what, there's many styles to choose from, and they're all great ways to insulate your home. For more details, visit our resources page on www.stoneside.com.